Buddy, go get him. Go get Tavion. Go get him. Go get him. Y'all go play out in the yard. The ball's right here, Tavion. Here, buddy. Go get it. Good boy. Good boy. Throw it. He don't want to play no more. You're not exciting anymore to him like you were just a while ago. Get it, buddy. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it, bud. He does not want to play. Go on. Get the ball, buddy. I'm recording. Every time I record, you don't do anything. Uh-huh. Hurry up, eh? All right.
Drop it. Drop it.
You need some water? Go get some Wawa. Go get some Wawa. Not on the ground, in your bowl. Right.
Ready to play.
He loves to get under my feet. He's too tired. Boom. Boom. Get it, boy. Bring it to me. Good job, buddy. Good job. Yay.
Drop it.